Welcome back to Crazy Dave's Crew. You are watching Cooking with the Crew, Christmas style. We're going to be looking at either convenient or inexpensive or fun type treats that you can make with your kids, or that your teenagers or tweenagers could make on their own, so that they can take ownership of some of the celebration. This is one case where convenience won out. I have a package of sugar cookie. I have a package of the decorated trees, and I have some sprinkles. Of course, always wash your hands. So we're just going to open this up. And I've got a ruler here, because I want these to be about 1/2 inch thick. So I've got my ruler, because I am terrible at eyeballing. But we're going to kind of roll it out just a little bit. All the edges nice and alright. So right at 1/2 inch. 1, 2. Oh, don't want to lose that. If they're not exactly 1/2 inch, I don't think the world's going to end. Of course, if you are doing this with small children, you may want to be the one with the knife cutting. Alright. Now, this is not my original. I did find this, but I wanted to try it and share it. The instructions actually said to roll these into a ball and then to flatten them back out again to 1/2 inch thickness. And I'll be honest, I'm kind of looking at it going, do we really want to do that, or do we just want to use the discs that we've cut? Because we know they're about 1/2 inch. Because I don't know that I can. I'll probably roll them out and get them too thin. But I think we'll try a couple the way they said, and we'll try a couple my way. So I said, I just feel like rolling them and then pressing them out. Adding an extra step. You've already got it at 1/2 inch, you know. But I said, we'll do a couple. We'll test it out both ways. I have preheated my oven to 350 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do 6. and then we'll do 6 my way. So my oven is preheated. I have a pan lined with parchment paper, and I am going to pop a couple of these on here. Six. Put this aside. Now the instructions also originally called for the little round non-perils, but we don't like those, so I like to use the sugar crystals. See if I've got it. Yep. And I always pour out, if you of course just dip them in or whatever, you're contaminating the rest of it. Wilton's got a really sparkles like it's snow. This is a twinkle white that I got from Walmart. So let's kind of flatten those out. And you don't have to use a glass, you can use your hand. Or a combination of the two. So the ones that I rolled up are here on the left, and we're just going to dip that into the sugar. And this is a step you don't have to do. I just really think adding the sprinkles always makes things a little bit more festive. And you could do red or green, or a combination. And I'm short just a little bit. our little experiment. The ones on the right are the ones I just cut. The ones on the left are the ones that I cut, rolled, and then flattened out. We're going to cook these for 2 minutes. Okay, make sure that's on the left. And while that's cooking, I'm going to go ahead and open up my decorated and be separating those out. And of course, if you've got little kids, they have some cut-out things that they can do, little other activities. We're going to set those aside. And as always, if you are cooking with little children, safety is very important. You should be the one handling the knives and the hot stuff. But the next step is one that they could probably help with. As long as they don't touch the pan. But this is definitely something that your tween and your teenager could do. So remember, the left side's the ones that I rolled into balls and then flattened. But now what you're going to do, you are just going to place one of these right on top. So now they're going to go back into the oven at 350 for 10 to 12 minutes. I'm going to set mine at 10. Of course, everyone, you know your oven better than anyone else. Alright, so this is staying on the left. And back into the oven it goes. I'll be back in about 10 minutes and we'll take a look and we'll see what comes out of the oven. Okay. And they've actually been in for 11 minutes. So let's take a look. Okay. I'm thinking another minute. Alright, so these were actually in the oven for 12 minutes. And our little experiment with these 6 were the ones that I rolled into balls and then flattened with the glass. These 6 were the ones that I just left as slices. So honestly, I think we could leave the step out. So it's something very easy, quick and easy that a child would enjoy doing. And of course, as the helper, oh, I should have left that cool just in a minute before I tried to take it off the pan. I know better. As the helper, or as the baker, you always get to try it first. One of the perks of the job. Well, I hope that you have found this interesting, entertaining, inspiring. That'll, you know, possibly convince you to try your hand at a little extra special treat. This was one that it was not cheap, especially for the number of cookies you end up with. But the convenience of it, and especially if you're dealing with little kids, would definitely you know, sometimes the convenience outweighs the cost. Just a little extra festive little thing. So I think it turned out pretty well. I would definitely give this a thumbs up as the recipe, and like I said, you can step aside with the whole rolling and flattening amount. Just go ahead and cut them about 1/2 inch thick, and that should be fine. And then of course, don't forget to cook up whatever was left over. So I hope you have been inspired. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope you will like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Most importantly, don't forget to come back, because we will be doing some more Cooking with the Crew Christmas style. Have a wonderful day. Happy cooking. Be safe. And thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye. Okay, guys, I've got some cookies. They're hot. I said they're hot. Got one?
Very moist. Yeah,
I think it's a hit.
So what are these?
We've got sugar cookie with sprinkles, and then we did the decorated dough in the middle.
Okay.
Yep.